welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, you've seen the thumbnail, you guys know what you're gonna watch. Let me flip around the camera. So all I have here today, we're gonna smoke this pizza, obviously. I've got my dough, this is from a pizza shop. It's proofing up. We're gonna just form it to the pan. Nothing crazy. Got some San Marzano peeled tomatoes. This is the first time I actually ever made my own sauce. So we're gonna do that. I got some boar's head pepperoni. I'm gonna keep it simple, really simple. And then, of course, I missed it. Star of the show is some grated provolone, and this is done at a local pizzeria here in town. This doesn't have any caking agents in it. Tastes really good. This is, I measured it out to 6 ounces. I'm going to measure out 6 ounces of a tomato before we try to puree it. Now I don't have a pureer, so my wife doesn't know it, but I'm going to try to use the blender there. So a little sacrilege. I'm going to just put some oregano leaves in there, and then also some garlic powder. So we'll be right back once this dough proofs up. Okay, second attempt at the sauce. I've got 7.17 ounces. You know, the last time I made it, I forget that I'm not making this huge batch. That's what it is. Let's try this. This should be a little bit better. Of course, I'm just gonna, this time I'm just gonna taste it after the garlic powder, and I'm just going to use a tiny bit. I forget this is only going on a 13-inch pizza. It smells great. This time, just a tiny bit garlic salt. And I am going to add and I could add some sugar to it. Probably what I should do. I'll try to avoid it though. Closer. It's pretty good. I don't know if I would really call that pizza sauce, but we'll go with that. So here is the start of the show, the dough. And again, from a local pizza place. Ooh, little hole there. But I don't have a pizza dock or whatever you want to call it. That basically perforate, put little holes everywhere. So I'm just going to do this all over. This is basically so you don't get bubbles when it cooks. So, got that all done. Got my sauce. A little frothy. And then I got a ladle. Any ladle will do. I'm just going to spread out the sauce. It smells amazing. Oh yeah. So I've got my 6 ounces of cheese, got my boar's head pepperoni. This smells amazing. You cup your hand around the edge. A lot of guys, they'll smoke these pizzas with frozen pizzas, which is fine. You can do whatever. To be honest with you, a lot of the time when I do my sauce, I just get I can't remember the name of the brand, but you'll go through a few brands before you finally find the one you like. Let's see. Basically, this is a tavern style, parlor style pizza. These pepperonis, pretty good though. In Columbus, there's a company called Ezo Pepperoni. A lot of people are aware of it. I'm going to use these. These are the regular style. I'm not using the old world style. The thick ones that cup up, and those are good, and they're a little spicier than regular pepperoni. But I'm just using these ones. I want to keep it simple. I want to see how much the smoke affects the pizza. Instead of, normally I'd have ham on this, red onions, banana peppers, all different kinds of stuff. You know, I was going to put sausage on it and just take some brats and rip off the casing. That sounds pretty damn good, but may try that on the next one. I have just enough charcoal. To do this. I think we're good. Take a little oregano. It's probably can't see that. It's creating a whole lot of smoke, that's for sure. I'm using my pizza pan. Now, if it was a pizza pan without any holes on it, I would not do this. To be honest with you, I'm trying to keep it as far away from those coals as possible. We're at like 250 degrees. I was told if I keep it between 250 and 300, it may take an hour or two. But to be honest with you, I don't think they'll take that long. I'm at these halfway open. I'm gonna close them a little bit more to keep it at, let's see, it is at 250 right now. So hour and a half in, perfectly well done cooked pizza. I try to keep it on the parchment. Still see some oregano. Could have added. This is an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. Jimmy, you were right. Could have added cheese to it at some point, but glad I didn't. I like a well-done pizza. And then on top of that, of course I never smoked one before.